Hello, Charlotte. How are you this evening?
I am well, thank you. How are you all?
We're doing well. You can go ahead and start speaking whenever you are ready.
Thank you. Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Charlotte Hare. I am a member of the Richmond Education Association, currently serving as your Senior NEA Director. And I just want to share a little bit with you this afternoon. Many of you, I'm sure, were with me and the rest of us yesterday at Lobby Day. So you know that we have many challenges ahead of us. Everything from getting to the national average teacher's pay salary to making sure that we have appropriate buildings. So it is incumbent upon us at this point for us to continue to work together as the largest labor union to make sure that we are able to secure what we need for our children and our co-workers, our everybody from the bus drivers to the cafeteria workers, the custodial staff, teachers, front office, everybody who is in the business of education. And so right now in Virginia, we are in a point where we have to, first of all, work to make sure that every local has the ability to have a collectively bargained contract. We also have to make sure that we are all working together to grow our membership as a union, because our power is in the numbers of members that we have working together for the same cause. Those are just some of the issues that we're currently facing. They're not things that are just in Virginia, they are all over the country. And so I'd like to be able to continue to work with you to help us reach a point where we solve some of those issues, to be able to share together, to work together so that we can grow our membership, so that we can secure collectively bargained contracts for all of our school divisions in Virginia, and to make sure that our working environments are what they should be, which means that they are safe, they are just, and they are welcoming to all staff and students. I've been working in the Education Association for quite a while. I'm a business and information technology teacher on the high school level. I have served in the capacities of uh, resolutions on the state and the local, state and national level. I've also served on many committees, which has provided me the opportunity to be aware of part of the things or some of the things that the VEA vice president would be responsible for chairing. Uh, I am a servant leader. I am not going to ask people to do things that I'm not willing to do. I get in and I do the work and I enjoy the work. I love talking to members to find out how they are faring in their part of our Commonwealth and what we can do to support each other, to help each other grow so that we can all move up together. Uh, I am open to conversations, would love to talk to people, because if any of you were with us at our summit this past weekend, you know that we're only going to get where we need to be when we all work together and move that needle in the direction that we need to go.
All right.
Thank you.
Does anybody have any questions for Ms. Hare? Anybody online? Seeing none. Thank you so much for your time, Ms. Hare. We appreciate you joining us this evening.
Thank you. I look forward to seeing you all.
Yes,
Have a great
ma'am.
evening.
You as well.
Thank you.